Alright guys, we are back with another unboxing. This time, the Pagani design Nautilus with that nice olive green dial. So I've been using my Didun Nautilus so much. It's the perfect grab and go watch. Right? It's quartz, beautiful, comfortable. And I thought, why not add an automatic version? So I was so happy to see Pagani design get into the Nautilus game. Let's get that sapphire sticker out. You have this really nice olive green dial. Minimalist dial as well. No Pagani design, just their logo at 12 o'clock. And you have automatic UGS at 6 o'clock. No date window. So this does not use the NH's NH35. It uses like a Huawei ST6 movement. But it's, I don't know, it's an interesting watch. I mean, let's compare it to the Didun, which is so beautifully done. Let's see here. So the case here on the Didun, it's kind of just rounded. This one you have more of like some different facets. But because the dial is so smaller, it kind of gives like this rounded look perfectly all around. And the Didun, I don't know. I kind of prefer the case style on the Didun. And this is a thick boy. Let's see right here. So 11.8. Keep in mind the Didun is a quartz movement. See here, about 11.1. And this just, maybe because it feels like everything's just scrunched up on the Pagani. And everything is like properly spaced on the Didun. But we'll give Pagani their credit because they did get the right style of hands. It's much thicker. So the Didun uses like these AP style hands. But Pagani got it right. So, I don't know. I mean, we'll see how it is. I'm happy that they don't have a date window on this. But you have a really nice tapering here. You have that old style clasp. See it on the wrist. And there it is on my 6.8 inch wrist. I mean, it just, I don't know, maybe it's going to take some time to get into because I'm so used to wearing this thinner and wider Didun, but I really like that olive green dial. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.